Hi, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Today I will tell you how to change any image to a cartoon. First thing to do before we select the object, we have to click Ctrl J to make a new layer. So then we click here or W, quick selection tool, or W on the keyboard. Then bring from up, click on the left, click on the mouse, keep moving down, then click, bring it until you select all the image. This. You have to select in layer 1, not in the background. And if you make anything wrong like this, you can click Alt, and if you have this minus sign, you can make it go in. Okay, like this. Like this, you selected the object. After we selected, we have to choose layer, add layer mask, and after that, we click on layer 1. We go to filter gallery. Then we will find artistic. We have to choose artistic. Then we choose poster edges. Then we bring edge thickness to 0, edge intensity to 0, and posterization to 2. Then we click OK. Like this, like you see, it started to become like a cartoon. After that, we have to go click on layer 1, and then go filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. We have to make the amount 90%, the radius 5 pixels, and the threshold 10. Then we click OK. We go here, add solid color. We here add solid color. Then we choose white. Then we click OK. Like here, like you see, layer 1 is not found. That's why, because color fill is over layer 1. We have to bring color fill under layer 1 so we can see layer 1. After that, we click on layer 1. Then we click Ctrl J 2 times. So we have 2 copies of layer 1. Because we'll use them after that. And after that, you have to choose pen tool, make it 3pt. The stroke, you have to make it red, and fill. You come here, click F 4 Fs plus 29, then click OK. Then you start from here like this and do like this. You have to make waves like this. Then you bring it like this, like this, like this. But also, like we did in color fill, we have to bring it down layer 1. And then you click Control, choose layer 1, shape 1, and color fill 1. Right click, then convert to smart object. Like this, we have one layer, which is layer 1. Then we have to choose layer 1, duplicate it 2 times with Control J. Now you need to make first layer 1 copy, visible, then go filter gallery. Also, you choose poster edges, but you make it here 3 and here 6, and you keep this 0. Click OK. And then after you make layer 1 copy to visible, you go again to filter, to other, and then high pass. You have to make high pass on 2, then click OK. After that, here the normal word, you have to change it to overlay. Then make this invisible, and like this you finished. Like this you finished. See you next video.